Hello everyone and welcome. Where is the tennis ball? In the box, on the box, or under the box? Today I will show you 9 propositions of place with simple examples. Let's get started. In. The ball is in the box. In means the ball is completely inside the box, surrounded by its sides. We use in when something is enclosed or contained within something else. Another example, the book is in the bag. On, the ball is on the box. On means the ball is placed on the surface of the box and is touching it. We use on when something is directly resting on a flat surface. Another example, the phone is on the table. Under, the ball is under the box. Under means the ball is below the box but not touching it. We use under when something is directly beneath something else. Another example, the shoes are under the bed. Above, the ball is above the box. Above means the ball is higher than the box but not touching it. We use above when something is at a higher level than another object. Another example, the clock is above the TV. Below, the ball is below the box. Below means the ball is at a lower level than the box but not necessarily directly under it. We use below when something is positioned lower than something else. Another example, the valley is below the mountain. Beside, the ball is beside the box. Beside means the ball is next to the box, very close to it. We use beside when something is positioned right next to another thing. Another example, the chair is beside the desk. In front of, the ball is in front of the box. In front of means the ball is positioned in front of the box, facing it. We use in front of when something is directly before another object. Another example, the car is in front of the house. Behind, the ball is behind the box. Behind means the ball is at the back of the box. We use behind when something is positioned at the rear of another object. Another example, the boy is behind the door. Between, the ball is between two boxes. Between means the ball is exactly in the middle of two boxes. We use between when something is placed between two other things. Another example, the park is between two buildings. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget like and subscribe for more easy English videos.